The National Social Ills Organization is calling on the Department of Human Settlements, the President and the Auditor General to halt all ongoing RDP housing allocations amid concerns over corruption and misallocation. The group argues, or rather urges, that a temporary freeze would allow authorities to audit beneficiary lists and ensure that houses are allocated to deserving recipients. NSI National Coordinator Tshepiso Kuno says the intervention is necessary to address long-standing maladministration, noting that many qualifying beneficiaries continue to wait for housing while some properties are allegedly illegally occupied or allocated through corruption practices.
Inhlangano eyimele nebhekelele konke ukudunguzela kwezwe iNational Social Ills ithi ke eyinkingeni eyikhungethe uhulumeni mayelana nokugwamandwa kwezindlu zoxhaso zingaxazululeka kalula uma kungamiswa ukunikezelwa kwazo bese ke kuqalwa phansi ohlweni lwabanikazi balezi zindlu.
There are policemen who own ama-RDPs. There are nurses who own RDPs. There are nama-councillor that are involved in this mess, that are also collecting rent. They have rented these properties to other people and they are collecting rent. So it's not only Nigerians who are doing this thing. There is a whole cartel that involves some of the officials of government, that involve some of the South Africans that are engaged in corrupt things. So a reality that you cannot deny, but it has to be resolved as soon as suggest that the minister must now start freezing all these allocations, checking who's supposed to be there and out, and putting in people who are supposed to be, so that the backlog now can remain with clear, real statistics, not the ones that are faked because they are not reported.
Umqondisi weinhlelo kule nhlangano uthi ke abantu abasenkingeni yokungazitholi izindlu zabo zoxhaso abasondelane nabo kanti ke ngeke bekhokhe ngisho isente elimdaka.
Most of our applicants are post, but NSI doesn't want any money from you. Your NSI says all it wants is you with your information, and we go through the process as we have already activated them.
Okunye kokuthe kwahlaluka kumaphuzu kaTshepiso Kuno yilapho ke eveze khona ukuthi labo ababebhaliswe njengezindlafa eindlini zoxhaso kwase ke kushona abazali kumele ke besondele eduze ukuze bezothola izeluleko ngokuthi bengazithola kanjani izindlu zabazali noma zehlobo zabo. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kubika umqondisi Miyeningi seGoli.